So I'm going to be doing a woven wheel today, or sometimes they can be called roses. So I'm going to be just starting on this one. So there's 5 little lines, and I'm just going to work from the outside into the centre just to create the straight stitches that we're going to be working on. Okay, so then you're going to bring your needle up just to in the centre, near this, like just to the side of the centre. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go over, under, over, under, over, and it's just going to keep doing that. So as I've started here, I'm going to go over this one, I'm going to go under that one. So you're basically just weaving it, but you're going to pull it so it's in a circle. So under, over, under, so I've gone under that one, so I'm going to go over this one, so then I'm going to go under this one. So as you can see on where we started, I've gone over there and then I've gone under on the next one. So there should always be opposites to what you've previously done. So under, over, under. And you're just going to keep going. Try not to pull it too tight, just so then the stitches lay nicer. And you can always keep putting your finger on it just to make sure it's like sort of sitting nicely. Again, a good way to pull the thread when you're pulling it is just the direction it's going. If you're worried about catching the fabric with your sharp end needle, you can always push it with the blunt end first. So that the end with the eye. And then once you're happy with how full it is, you can just, I'm just going to do over that one. You can just tuck it in, so just push your needle through the fabric, just slightly underneath, like that, so you can't see it. and then you're just going to finish it off, and that is a woven wheel. So generally you keep the threads the same colour, so like those threads you do the little spikes in and the threads you do the actual rows in. But next I'm going to do the little spikes in a green, and then I'm going to do the rows in a different colour, just so to see if it looks like thorns. So next I'm going to fill out another woven wheel. And that is a woven wheel. So join me next time and we'll be filling these other ones out with a spider's web.